In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and start mining Delta coin. Delta coin is just like other digital currency like Pi network. So you can start using Delta mobile app now to mine Delta digital money for free and energy savingly and easily manage cross-chain assets. So I will leave the link in the description box for you to download this mining app and start mining. So once you click on the link, it will bring you to this interface and you can see download Delta app now. So just click on it. So if you are using Android, click on this Android APK, and if you are using iPhone, you can click on here. So I will click on this download Android APK. Click download anyway. You can see the download is done. Click on open. If your phone doesn't allow you to install app from any source, you can just click on settings and change the settings. Click on allow. You can see, do you want to install Delta? Click on install. After installation, click on open. Now it will bring you this interface where you need to select your country or region. So I'll click here and select my country. Then here, enter your phone number. Okay, after entering your phone number, click on next step. So this will ask you for your referral ID. So use this referral ID. Use the referral ID you are seeing on the screen, and here enter your nickname. Click on next step. Then you need to confirm your informations. You can see the number and the nickname. So click on DSMS verification. So here you have to click on get. So at this point, select any of these numbers. So I'll select this very number. Select it and click on next step. Choose SMS and click on this icon. Then click on confirm. So we are using message. Click on message. Then click on SMS to send it. So you can see it has been sent. Then let's go back. Once you do that, this one will turn green. Then click on I have sent verification string. Yes, I've been debited for sending that message. Click OK. So click on I have sent verification string. Next step. Click on confirm. You can see verification successful. You can see it has been verified. Yes, sign in successfully. You can see we have signed in successfully. Now just tap to start mining coin. So that is simple. Just tap. Click on mine. You can see we have started mining, and this is it. This is how to download, install, and start mining Delta coin. I will leave the download link in the description box and also my referral ID. Thank you for watching.